After Flair writing a new stationery company's IPO is all set to hit the D Street. Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra. And in this video, we're going to be talking about new IPO that's going to be hitting the street soon. And I'm talking about DOMS Industries, which is a stationery and an art product company primarily engaged in designing, developing and manufacturing and also selling of a wide range of products like pencils and mathematical instrument boxes, and that's going to be launching its IPO now. DOMS Industries has also set the price band for its maiden public issue from 750 rupees to 790 rupees per share. Investors here can bid for a minimum of 18 equity shares in one lot and then in multiples of 18 shares thereafter. This main board IPO will open for bidding on December 13th and will close on December 15th. The anchor book will be opened on December 12th. Now, ahead of the issue launch, the shares of DOMS Industries are already getting in high demand in the grey market, which is the unregulated market. Remember, these are not direct indications. These are markets which are not regulated and therefore speculative, but a lot of investors do keep an eye out on it to get a sense of what could be the listing uptick that one can expect onto this IPO after listing. So the current grey market premium of DOMS Industries is now at 410 rupees per share as per the market observers that we have seen. Now, considering the upper end of the price band, the company is also planning to raise 1200 crore rupees via this public issue, which comprises of a fresh issue of 350 crore rupees and an offer for sale of 850 odd crore rupees. Under this OFS, there are promoters like Fabrica, Italiana, Apiece and also Sanjay Mansuklal Rajani and Keta Mansuklal Rajani that will be offloading their shares. Now, the capital raised from the OFS will also go to the shareholders which are selling their shares. Proceeds from the fresh issue of 350 odd crore rupees will be utilized towards funding of the cost of establishing a new manufacturing facility to expand the company's production capabilities for a wide range of writing instruments, watercolor pens, even markers and highlighters, along with the general corporate purposes as well. Now, the offer is being made through book building process where 75% of the net offer is set aside for the qualified institutional buyers, 15% for non-institutional investors and just about 10% for retail investors. Remember, the portion size for retail investors here is less, and the offer includes a reservation also of about 5 crore worth of shares for the employees of the company. Now, the IPO also excludes employees portion in the net issue as well. Now, how are the company's financials? The company did post a net profit of 70.6 odd crore rupees and a revenue of 761 crore rupees for the period ending September 30th of 2023. Now, which is positive because both the revenues and the profitability is on the positive side. The company reported a net profit of 96 crore rupees for the year ended March of financial year 2023, with the revenue surging 77% on a year-on-year basis to 1212 crores. So that also gives you some promise on the consistency of the earnings that the company has been posting. Now, the shares of DOMS Industries will be debuting on the street on December 20th, and the company will be the first to mandatory list on the bourses in the T+3 timeline, as the capital markets regulator SEBI has directed the company is launching IPOs with effect from December 1st and 2023 to go to the timeline of T+3 instead of the previous T+6 format as well. So keep an eye out on this IPO and do stay tuned on to Business Today Television to find out whether you should be applying for this IPO and what are the top brokerage houses saying. We will get you all of those updates pretty soon. Soars shares have rallied over 270% this year, from just about 10 rupees to over 38 rupees now. But why has there been such a sharp rally in Soars